Welcome to back Technomy.
You'll be glad to know that we want to show you the best drone with the most benefits in this video. Before we begin our product review video, we'll take a look at some of the best drone of our time.
Hope you check out the link in the description below. So let's choose the right product through video analysis. Let's start best 5 product review. Starting at number 1.
Product name, DJI Mavic Mini Fly Bore Combo. We loved the Mavic Mini on review, too, and we're really impressed by how it manages to marry great features with a smaller size and reduced price. It shoots beautiful still images and 2K video that's super impressively stabilized and looks great without any processing. DJI's app is also one of the best on the market when it comes to controlling your drone, which is something that's absolutely key to ensuring the experience is enjoyable rather than stressful. While there's a newer model out now, this is still a really solid investment, and the discount makes that all the more sensible. So if you've ever wondered about shooting some jaw-dropping stuff from the sky, now's your chance. DJI latest addition to its rosy roster has landed, and it's a cracker. We unpacked it, unfolded it, activated it, flown it, fiddled with the settings, used the camera and viewed the rushes, and we frankly gobsmacked not just by the all-round quality of the drone itself and the footage it shoots, but also the amazing price. So, without further ado, let's go into a little more detail. Or maybe you should just head straight off and buy one. If any further encouragement were needed, we also decided to crown it Best Drone at the T3 Awards 2020.
Starting at number 2.
Product name, Parrot Anafi FPV drone set, lightweight and foldable quadcopter. To be 100% honest, we had mixed feelings about testing the Parrot Anafi FPV. There's no question that the 21-megapixel camera drone is a well-engineered aircraft with much to offer, but donning first-person view goggles was, we thought, the preserve of the clique of talented pilots who race quadcopters at over 100 mph. We hadn't yet made the connection with photography, video making, or just plain fun. The Parrot Anafi was originally launched without the FPV option in 2018, pushing the DJI Mavic Air into a distinct second place in many respects, with class-leading 25 minutes flight time and the unique ability to tilt its camera all the way up as well as down, and a cunning lossless zoom taking advantage of its 21 megapixels. The drone is light, while its controller somewhat chunky. Since its original launch, a thermal version has been added, as well as an extended package with 3 batteries and a bigger case. Now this Anafi FPV version gives you a kit version with controller and goggles. The Anafi FPV cockpit goggles fold down to a few centimeters thick when not in use. Pros: everything you need for FPV drone flight except the phone setup quite easy, even for novice. Basic flight UI simple and fun. Backpack doubles as launchpad. Gimbal/camera captures high quality photos and video. Cons: requires smartphone, sold separately.
Starting at number 3.
Product name, Holystone HS720 Foldable GPS Drone with 4K UHD camera for adults. When you ready to treat yourself to a well-spec'd drone that won't break the bank, the Holystone HS720 may just fit the bill. We're very impressed by what's in the box for this price, and like many owners of this Holystone model are pleased with its performance. Is the HS720 what you're looking for? What impressed us about the Holystone HS720? Compact folding drone of sturdy build with an attractive carry case. User-friendly app for controlling advanced features. Well-designed remote control with informative LED display and joystick functions that can be reversed. Decent 2K camera with a remotely adjustable angle. High-capacity intelligent battery that gives a flight time of over 25 minutes. All the intelligent flying modes we could ask for except for obstacle avoidance. In this Holystone drone review, we also looked at real user experiences. Owners of this model are generally very satisfied or even raving fans, although there have been reports of some manufacturing issues needing return. Generally, Holystone drones have a good reputation, and we found no complaints about poor customer service. Ease of operation, good controller and long battery life of the HS720 drone are especially appreciated, as is the folding design and the carrying case. Holystone HS720 Foldable GPS Drone with 2K FHD camera for adults, quadcopter with brushless motor, auto return home, follow me, 26 minutes flight time, long control range, Includes carrying bag.
Starting at number 4.
Product name, Ruko F11 Pro drones with camera for adults 4K UHD camera live video. He drone features high-quality aluminum construction that gives it superior durability, as well as protection against possible mid-air impacts. The 2500 mAh batteries make for a very long playtime, which should be enough to record the footage you want for your home videos or even a video documentary. The GPS module simplifies the process of recording quality videos. This drone features several intelligent flight functions that not only make flying easy but also exciting. Functions like headless mode, one-key landing takeoff, return to home, as well as follow me mode make for an exciting piloting experience. The compact controller fits snugly in your palms and comes with easy-to-use controls that make flying the drone suitable for beginners who are still learning the ins and outs of drone piloting. The 4K UHD camera can record high-resolution videos and shoot clear stills that you can use for your social media selfies. The gesture control feature particularly makes taking photos with this drone extra exciting. Overall, the Ruko F11 is packed with advanced features that even the most experienced drone users will be proud of. Considering the price tag on this drone, you get a great bang for the buck. Pros: durable construction, GPS module, long flight time, easy to operate 4K UHD camera, intelligent flight modes. Cons: no gimbal stabilization.
Starting at number 5.
Product name, DEERC drone with camera 1080p HD FPV live video. 1080p HD FPV camera. Updated 1080p Full HD camera with wide angle helps to capture clearly photos and more stable 1080p videos. Easy and safe fly. D10 feature with one key takeoff, landing, lift off or land with a single press. Low battery protection and headless mode make it easy and safe to control for any user. Tap fly: simply draw a flight course by tapping on your smartphone screen. The drone can fly straightly following the path, make you enjoy the good moments. Read more: speed adjustable. D10 has different speed modes from low to high, suitable for beginners and intermediates and experts. You can have a different flight experience for fun. Gesture control: tap yeah or plam gesture. The drone will automatically take photo or videos. You can also control the drone with gravity or simple voice command. Altitude hold: altitude hold is a default setting of the drone. You can accurately lock the height. It makes the video shooting and capture high quality images stable. Read more smart features. With the newest voice feature, you can play the drone with simple voice comments like takeoff, landing. Pose to the camera: it will take a photo or video. Pros and upgrade from toy drones with the extra battery. You get about 14 minutes of flight time in total. Great for beginners as the heavy build makes flight easier. Together with the altitude hold and one key return features, you can choose whether to use your left or right hand to operate this drone. Cons: no first person view.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Make a choice in the video. If you have seen our video for the first time, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates of our channel. Make sure you check out the description for the links to find the latest price for this products in this video. Thanks for watching.